Hi, this is Janice, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a Google font into PicMonkey. In order to do that, you need to have a paid PicMonkey account. So the first thing you're going to do is find the font that you want. And you can actually use this to upload fonts from Font Squirrel or other font sites as well. But I'm just choosing Google Fonts. So first I'm going to look for a script font, and I am going to pick this one right here, Nanum Pen Script, and then I'm going to download the family, and then I want to extract it because Google will compress the file. So I'm opened it back up, and I'm going to click on Extract All, and it's going to put the extracted file into its own folder. So here's the folder for the Nanum script, and here's what it looks like if it's compressed. And so when I open this up, I'm going to pull up this TrueType font right here. That's the one I'm going to use. So now I'm going to go over to PicMonkey, and I'm going to create a new image, just a blank canvas. It doesn't matter about the size. And then I'm going to click on Text, Add Text. And so now it's got some text right here. And then right down here you'll see this Upload Your Fonts. So I'm going to upload that Nanum font. Okay, and there it is. And so now I can choose Nanum. There it is. And there's the font. And that's all that you do. Thank you.